Okay, so first thing you're going to do is go to Tinkercad and open your model. Please name your file with the first part of your email address. So 28, your first initial, last name, and then this last letter will represent the class block where you have design. So in this example, it's design B, but you might be C block or a different block. So make sure that that's correct. Next, once our model is completely done, we're going to come over here and click Export. And we want to choose the option that says STL. And make sure that this is selected, everything in the design. And only thing in your work plane, in your workspace, should be your robot. Please don't have extra parts. We'll click STL. It will prepare the model for export. And you'll see that it has downloaded over here. Next, I'm going to go to Google Classroom, find in Robots in Our Society the unit templates, the prototype assignment, and inside of here you're going to see a folder where you're going to add your final robot design. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, in this case I'm in H block, and I'm going to drag my file into here, and it's going to upload. All right, so once it's in this folder, the Fab Lab will then print it. It may take some time, a few days, a week. Be patient. 3D printing takes time, and hopefully you'll have your prototype and you're happy with it soon. Nice work.